motorsport is one of the most aspirational sports on Earth. Over 872 million fans worldwide. But for almost all of them, participation has always been out of reach. It's exclusive. It's expensive. It's too distant. Until now. From the garage to the grid, OutdriveGP is more than a game. It's a next-generation racing league.
OutdriveGP, the world's first and leading global sim racing league.
Merging cutting-edge technology with online and live global competitions. Turning fans into participants, elite drivers, global creators, real personalities driving real fandom. OutdriveGP owns the intellectual property, the narrative, and the global competition engine, with venues serving as distribution infrastructure inside master-planned communities. And when competition meets hospitality, venues become destinations. This is where champions are made, where innovation fuels competition, and where the road ahead is just the beginning.